Hello and welcome to this unboxing and tutorial of our 6mm Eyelet bundle. Inside this bundle you have a nice case and box. We'll open this up. Inside the box we're going to have 50 of each colour, so we have gunmetal black, gold, bronze and silver. The bundle also includes a base and top die for a 6mm cutting die set and a base and top die for a 6mm eyelet die set. Let's show you how it all works. Okay, so let's start with our cutting die. So our gold base is going to look like this. This goes into the bottom of your machine. And our top die is going to look like this. This screws into the top of the machine. I'll take some faux leather that I have here and we can punch a hole. Just like that. We can change our die set over to our eyelet fixing die. So your base die is going to look like this, and your top die will look like this. We will take our eyelet. I will go for silver. I'm going to go for the main part of the eyelet with the shaft, and that sits on the base die. We can flip our material upside down, place that over the eyelet on the base. We can take our washer like this, and that sits on top of our material. Please remember the washers will have a curve to them, so you want the peak of the curve on the top. Then we can push down the machine. And there we have it. 6mm eyelet fixed.